Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video, we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to address in today's video include place value, even and odd numbers, multiplication, and word problems. Let's get started with our first topic, place value. It asks us, what is the underlying place value? This would be our example, we have our hundreds place, our tens place, and last but not least, we have our ones place. Let's get started with number 1. It gives us the number 42 but underlines the 4. We know that this is our ones, and 4 should be our tens. Therefore, the underlying place value is tens. Number 2, 53, but it underlines the 3 in 53. Well, we know that 3 is ones, and 5 is tens. Therefore, the underlying 3 is in its ones place. Number 7, 327, but the 2 is underlined. Well, we know that 7 is ones place, 2 is tens place, and our 3 should be our hundreds place. Therefore, the underlying 2 represents our tens place. Last but not least, number 8. We have 248, but they underline number 2. Our 8 is our ones place. Our 4 is our tens place. Last but not least, we got our 2, and it should be our hundreds place. Therefore, 2 represents our hundreds place. Our second topic is even and odd numbers, and it's asking us to identify what the numbers are. Let's address the even numbers. Our even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. And our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Let's look at number 1. It gives us the number 2. When we look at our list, we find 2 in our even numbers list. Therefore, 2 is even. Number 2. It gives us the number 3. Well, 3 is in the odds number list. Therefore, we know that 3 is odd. Number 11, 5,230. We look at the ending number, and our ending number ends with the number 0. 0 is even. Therefore, 5,230 is even as well. Last but not least, we have number 12. It gives us the number 42, and it ends with the number 2. 2 is an even number. Therefore, 42 as a whole is also an even number. Third topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to multiply the numbers below. Number 1, it gives us the equation 8 times 5. 8 times 5 can also be referred as 8 groups of 5. Let's draw it out so it's easy for us to solve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our first group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our sixth group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seventh group, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our eighth group. We have a total of 8 groups of 5 circles. Now, let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Therefore, we have a total of 40 circles. Therefore, 8 times 5, or 8 groups of 5, also equals 40. Number 11, 7 times 2. 7 times 2 can also be referred as 7 groups of 2. Let's draw it out so it's easy for us to solve. We have 7 groups of 2. 1, 2, our first group, 1, 2, 7, second group, 1, 2, third group, 1, 2, fourth group, 1, 2, fifth group, 1, 2, sixth group, 1, 2, seventh group. We have a total of 7 groups of 2 circles. Now, let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Therefore, 7 groups of 2 equals 14. And 7 times 2 should also equal 14. Therefore, our final answer is 14. Our last topic is word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1, there is a total of 16 chickens in a coop. 4 run away during a storm, and 2 are struck by lightning. How many chickens are left in the coop? Based off the key words, run away and struck by lightning, we know that this is a 2-step subtraction problem. Let's start off with our beginning number 16. We have 16 chickens in the coop. 4 ran away. 16 minus 4 equals 12. Now we need to subtract 2 because after 4 ran away, 2 got struck by lightning. 12 minus 2 should equal 2 minus 2, 0. We bring down the 1, 10. 12 minus 2 equals 10. Therefore, after 4 chickens ran away and 2 got struck by lightning, there's a total of 10 chickens left. Number 2, 20 out of the 100 pencils David have are colored pencils. What fraction simplified of pencils are colored pencils? It gives us the keyword out of the. Out of the meaning that there are 20 out of 100. Let me show you visually. When we write this, we would write this in fraction form. 20 out of 100. This division sign or fraction sign means out of. 20 goes on top and 100 goes at the bottom because there's 20 out of 100. However, it asks us to simplify 20 out of 100. We could divide this by dividing by 10 on both sides. So if we divide 10 on the numerator and divide 10 by the denominator, our simplified fraction should be 2 out of 10. But we could also divide it once more because 10 is divisible by 2. Therefore, we divide 2 on the numerator, divide 2 by the denominator, and our final simplified answer should be 1/5. 20 out of 100 can be simplified to 1/5. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.